Alright, and the sixth video. Again, these are videos made for applications that were written in C, the C programming language, using the DJGPP 32-bit compiler back in about 1999. See that I didn't have a lot of graphical skills, so I used what I could. This one specifically, you can tell, is coming from Final Fantasy II, or if you want the official, it's Final Fantasy IV, but regardless, Final Fantasy II. You can see that this was implemented, the chat system, the little text box was implemented in here so that it could look like an actual RPG instead of having the black, nasty looking text that's the default out in C. Here is a map, and when we move around, what you'll notice is he kind of just jumps from place to place, and it doesn't look that good. What we can do is we can make it so he has more steps. It takes him longer to move from spot to spot. It doesn't look perfect, but that's mainly because the computers are so fast nowadays that his animation is faster than it was back then. So you see we've got animated water, so we've got animated tiles. We've also got tiles like the water, we can't walk through it. And we've also got situations where, when I get over here, you'll see there's 4 layers. So here's the bottom layer disabled. Here's the top layer disabled, and the bottom layer disabled. Now there are sections in here that have multiple layers. If we head over this way, what we find is some of these are on the bottom layer, some of them are on a middle layer, and some of them are on the top layer. Come over here and we find a chest. We can come up to the chest and hit a button, and what we notice is that we got an item from that. We can also talk to a character, and then there's a warp here. We can go through the warp. Looks like I've got a layer disabled still. There we go. And now that we're in this other area, we can then warp right back. Alright, and then the last part of this RPG that was still being developed, I never completed it, there was a menu system. So we can go into the menu system, and we can add, it only shows 2 characters, but there's a hidden character. We can add her in there. We can select the different items that are in it. So we can check and see, oh look, looks like our bag is empty. Well, let's add some fake items here with a hidden key. So we got some fake items being added. Alright, now let's try to use one of them. So it tells us that this is just testing the multi-add item. Gain 25 health, etc. Now let's say we don't like this because we want to sort it. So let's sort our items. There we go. Now they're sorted. Well, I want to see the status of her. What has she got? So she's got 10 defense, 10 magic, attack. Nice. And she's got 4 of 50 in her level. Now we can check this. Looks like he just started his level. And the last person, 34 of 100. Okay. You can also save it. Equipment doesn't do anything, but it has a screen of its own. Keeps track of the gold and keeps track of the time. And there you go. There is a tile engine with a menu system, characters, items, warps. So basically each tile had the ability to contain information about it and also to have animations. Alright, thanks for watching.